Oh, hey, sorry. Couldn't hear you. My music was too loud. Have you ever wondered why our ears hear? Well, we're going to talk about it today on Science at Home.
And it went like...
The ear is an awesome place. You see, the sound goes into the outer ear, goes into the outer ear, goes into the middle ear, and the middle ear is where it starts to get a little messy. It's the eardrum, goes up the ossicles, and then the ossicles vibrate the hairs, sends it to your brain, and then you hear. That was a lot. Let's try it again. The sound goes into the outer ear, goes into the outer ear, goes into the middle ear, and the middle ear is where it starts to get a little... The ear is made out of three basic parts: the outer, the middle, and the inner. Those three parts work together to help us hear. First, we have the outer ear, which is sometimes called the pinna. It works kind of like a funnel to help bring all the sound into our ear. Pause. Try this real quick. Play some music on a phone and put it into a cup. Listen to how the sound magnifies. This is just how your pinna works. Okay, you can continue. Once we're in the ear, you might notice some real gunky stuff. Earwax. Fun fact, your earwax actually has chemicals in it that kills off any germs or infections that try to get into your ear. The sound has now gotten into your outer ear, through your ear canal, and onto your eardrum. Our eardrum is a very delicate piece of skin that stretches out and feels the vibrations of sound. Let me show you an example using my friend, Zim. Zim is a bearded dragon, and she doesn't have an outer ear. Take a look. This means her eardrum is exposed to the sound, so that means things are a lot louder for her and she gets a little nervous. Thanks, Zim. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the Do Try This at Home segment. Today, we're going to make an eardrum, so you're going to need a couple of things. Some tape, a scrap piece of paper, some saran wrap, a large bowl, and something to make a lot of noise. You're going to take your large bowl and cover it with saran wrap. Make sure the saran wrap is nice and tight across the top of the bowl. Now take your scrap paper and rip it into small pieces and roll it into little tiny balls. It should look something like this. Now place whatever music you're going to play right next to it. Time for the jams. Did you notice what was happening to the pieces of paper? That's what sound does to our eardrum. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for that. Back to you. After the eardrum, we have three little bones called ossicles. Ossicles are the smallest bones in our body, and they help carry vibrations into the inner ear. Now for the last leg of the race. The inner ear is called the cochlea, and it's filled with water and tiny little hairs. Those tiny little hairs move because of the vibrations, which send signals to your brain, and then boom, you can hear. Whew. That's a lot of work. Let's review real quick. The outer ear carries the message to your middle ear. Then your middle ear vibrates that message to the inner ear. The inner ear sends that signal to the brain. That's all for this week, guys. Oh, and remember, always explore more.